Hey everyone, it's Ryan Egley with the Lawrence County Chamber of Commerce, and we're here today with Mr. Adam Martin, CEO of Southern Tennessee Regional Health Systems Lawrenceburg. Adam, it's good to be with you today. And as you've seen previously, we've been doing some industry spotlights, and what that includes is just we want to know about your business, about what you're doing, how you've kind of fared through COVID and more. But let's start. Tell us about the hospital.
Sure. We've been serving Lawrence County since 1974. And through the years, we've had several service lines added, several expansions. Most recently in 2009, we did a $5.6 million renovation to our ER registration and outpatient surgical area. We're a 99-bed acute care facility, and we are able to handle most anything here locally. Obviously, there's some trauma stuff that we wouldn't be able to take here, but we can take care of you here locally for the most part.
That's awesome. All right, so Adam, obviously, Southern Tennessee is a huge community partner, but there's a lot of stuff that goes on internally, and a lot of that has to do with culture and your mission and vision. Can you speak to your mission and vision?
Absolutely. So our mission is making communities healthier. It's 3 words, and we talk about it at every town hall, every meeting that we are discussing about. Every day that I talk to people in the community, they want to stay local. So that's what our mission is every single day. Our vision is we want to be a place that staff want to come to work, physicians want to come practice, and people want to come get their health care.
That's awesome.
And then we have something at LifePoint called the High Five Values. And so we live by our high fives every day. And so we talk about if we're providing top quality care and supporting our physicians, being the place where people want to come to work, adding community value, and ensuring fiscal responsibility, then we are hitting on all cylinders as a hospital. And so that's what we strive to do each day.
Wow, that's really impressive, and that really speaks to the economic impact that the hospital makes to our community. So how many employees do you have today?
We have 375 employees and about 150 physicians on staff here locally.
That's really impressive. So speaking to kind of your practice during COVID, how did the hospital fare, not only as a business, but also as a service to the community?
You know, I think we acted very quickly with with the first test that got positive around us. We immediately jumped on it, went to one entrance, started the mandating of masks, and made sure that we were all wearing our proper PPE. And so as a facility, really tried to stay ahead of the curve and handle it the best way we could. Put up a dedicated COVID unit that includes 16-bed unit with negative air pressure and air scrubbers that are constantly scrubbing the air. And so when we have a patient, we have a dedicated nurse one-to-one with that person that is there to take care of them.
Wow. So yeah, those 375 really are the frontline healthcare heroes.
Absolutely.
That's really impressive. And I know, we as a community could not have gotten through this without Southern Tennessee. So thank you. But let's talk about kind of going back to business as usual. Our hospital is known for a number of great things. Can you speak to some awards and accolades?
Well, most recently, we just got reaccredited with our chest pain accreditation. You get accredited every 3 years for that. And so our ER and our facility can handle chest pain accreditations with our cardiologist that's here on staff with us. We've been able to make sure that our staff at our 12 clinics that we have in Lawrence County are still operating at full capacity and trying to make sure that people in the community understand it's still safe to come to the hospital and to the clinics. And we've just been able to start seeing that starting to ramp back up.
That's awesome. And I know a few weeks ago, the hospital released its economic impact report. Can you talk about the economic impact of the hospital to the community?
Sure. So annually, we have about a $22.9 million payroll.
Wow.
And so that's a significant impact to the community. And then every year annually, we pay about $3.9 million in taxes.
Wow, that's awesome. And so, as you can see, our hospital not only keeps us safe, but also helps us grow as a community. Now, one thing I love about Adam is he's from the Middle Tennessee area. He did things out and about, gained a lot of experience, and now he brings that talent to us. And through that, he's been able to have some pretty cool successes, and especially around the sector of physician recruitment. But Adam, tell me about your experience moving to Lawrence County and how that's helped you be so successful in recruiting new physicians to our area.
Sure. Well, first of all, it was great to get back to Tennessee. Grew up in Williamson County, moved around to Indiana, Virginia, and now back to Tennessee. So it's been great for us to get back closer to family and friends. But with that, I've been able to see a lot of different things from an aspect of recruiting and how you can make your community attractive.
Yeah.
And so in 2019, we were able to sign 11 providers.
Wow.
And really tried to help fill the gaps with recruiting and making sure that they understand, you know, we're a growing community, we're a growing population with a great school system.
Yeah.
Those are the first two questions they look at. Is, am I moving to a place that's growing, and am I moving to a place that's got a great school system to raise my kids?
Yeah.
Other than that, it's the amenities and being able to show them that, you know, you can still have the amenities that you need within an hour's distance, but still have great restaurants and great shopping here locally as well. And so it's really, it sells itself. Once you can get them here and they see how beautiful Lawrence County is, it sells itself.
That's awesome. And hey, that's one reason we're doing these videos. So if there was a prospective physician watching right now, what would you tell them about Lawrence County?
I would tell them that you can come have the small town feel and be a big fish in a small pond and be a part of our team here, become a part of our family. The cost of living's great, and you can have a great lifestyle here. And if you want that big city life, you get in a car and you drive 60 miles either way and you can have that. But think that you're probably going to find yourself not leaving locally.
It's funny, it's the exact same pitch that we give potential industries that are evaluating our area. Again, it's the cost of living, it's the quality of life, it's the local amenities, but it's also the quick access to larger areas as well. So hey, Adam, thank you for your time this morning. Thank you for tuning in for this month's Industry Spotlight. Hope you have a great day.